Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating Tools folder and selecting Recorder app. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Over here you can adjust all of those recorder settings however you wish though, like quality. When you're ready, go back. And to access list of all your recordings, click on this button with three lines. To start your recording though, click on red button below it. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this one on the left. And in order to delete it right away, pause it and click on this left button. You can also save it by tapping on Done on the right. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to go back, then hold it, and tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to rename it though, you need to click on this pen, this one, type in wherever you wish to, and hit Save. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!